I'm at Hyner View State Park. That's facing North Bend, and Renovo is just around the bend. And if you can see just in the very far distance, a little light.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 169.4. No defects.
That is the milepost detector for Norfolk Southern. And of course, there's a train. That's why I'm up here. I've wanted to get a train from up here for years. And I got word that there was a loaded coal train from Corman. Oh, loaded on Corman tracks. Excuse me. But yeah. So I got word from a friend of mine that the loaded coal train was coming. So I pretty much got up to the top of the hill. And now here he comes after waiting about a half hour. So the coal train's about like right there. He's coming into Hyner. This is Hyner right here. Hopefully my Smokey the engineer bear will stay with the wind. We'll see. Come on, buddy. It's hit and miss with the wind up here. The streets are nuts. 2 NS engines, because I think I saw this train with Corman in the engines on Corman trucks going to Clearfield to get loaded. So they probably picked up the empty coal train that was sitting on the siding there yesterday. Bugs are horrible up here too. Oh my god. I don't want my scanner to fall down either. Oh my god, the wind is just out of nowhere. It just got worse. Stay. Will you stay? Will you try to stay? Squish your butt. I know. Well, don't you dare, mister. I'll wait till he gets closer. Guess you don't have to blow for the private crossing. He'll have to blow for the one crossing in town, I think. But yeah, there's a private crossing that he just went through. So he's not as long as the one train I got while I was on the river a couple days ago. He had the Corman power in the middle because he was so long. This one's not as long as that one. There he goes. Let's see if I can get him right there to stay. This wind is just killing us. Yeah, there you go. Wonder why he's tooting like that. So this is the NS Buffalo line. North of Lock Haven, it's track authority. So it's pretty much, I call it no man's land because it's just coal trains. You got the local out of Lock Haven, and that's pretty much it. Okay, see if he'll stay this time. He's just gonna wiggle because of the wind. But yay, I finally got a coal train. Or a train, how about that? And then he's going to be visible in that little gap There he is. I think this one goes to Baltimore as well as the 632s. Export coal, unfortunately. I think I see a few Conrail cars. You don't see too many on trains up this way. Well, there was one or two Top Guns, surprisingly, on the one train that was sitting on the siding near Keating. This one, from what I was told, this one doesn't have to be weighed. I doubt it, but I'm going to see if I can see him to my left. Down the river valley a little bit. Sperry rail truck came through earlier, but I missed it. Mike told me he was heading toward Renovo, and I asked my friend, I'm like, hey, is he coming south? He's like, nope. I'm like, okay. That's how I found out about this one. Yeah, so the engines are probably like right in here. No, wait, I was like, no, right over there. I'm thinking that way. But the tracks will follow the river all the way. Pretty much all the way to Harrisburg, and then I'm not quite sure how they go toward Baltimore. I think they go across the Lurgan Bridge in Harrisburg. Okay, the tail end just cleared me, so I'm gonna stop the video real quick and wait for him to show up right in there. You can just barely see him way back there. Any better? Yeah. So he's way back there. He's just now in the opening. If it was a brighter color engine, you'd see it clear. So he's gonna snake with the river all the way to Lock Haven and then get back into, I think, PTC territory. All the way to Lambert's Point, I think he's going to. If you guys like these videos of trains and history stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. They're at the bottom below my video. And also check out my links to donate to help with my adventures. I don't make any money pretty much off of the links. It's just to help with gas and, you know, help basically make more videos just like these. So if you could, that'd be greatly appreciated. Bye, guys.